In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Then click on those three dots at the top right one of this section over here to select Settings and manage all of those under Alarms however you want to. When you finished, go back, and to create new alarm, use this plus icon at the bottom. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. Over here, set up an hour. Then click on Repeat and pick days of the week. To save them, select OK. Now choose Alarm Sound. Click on Add New at the top to pick any song from your device by clicking on it. Tap on Spotify to log in and use music from it, or select one of those melodies. Apply the best one and go back. Now scroll down to click on this switcher next to Vibrate, and this way disable or enable haptic feedback. Choose Label to name it, and OK to save its name. Then click on Snooze to decide how many minutes it will take by clicking on one of those options. Following that, click on this check mark at the top right corner to save your new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, and tap on the same check mark. To get rid of it, hold it, and tap on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!